can feel his body groove when there's nothing to say, and the words just hide away, hide away. I say it's time to love, I say it's time to heal. We're not over, for real. I say it's time to love, I say it's time to heal. We're not over, for there ain't no other. I wanna be right next to you. Never made a secret of my feelings for you. When there's something to say, and the words just hide away, hide away. I say it's time to love, I say it's time to heal. We're not over, for real. I say it's time to love, I say it's time to heal. We're not over, for real.
We are. My friend!
Living in this big blue world with my head up in outer space. I know I'll be A-OK. I know I'll be A-OK. When I see trouble come my way, I'll be making lemonade. I know I'll be A-OK. I know I'll be A-OK. Hey little lady, I know you're feeling crazy. All your other friends are busy making them babies. Been out in the real world, don't like how it's tasting. Let me change your mind with my little old saying. 2, 4, 6, 8, who do we appreciate? Put some sugar in my water, cause we making Minute Maid. Fuck all the hate, do a shimmy shake. Throw a middle finger up down the interstate. Living in this big blue world with my head up in outer space.
Hi guys! Nami sa Boulder section banda. Sunrise, nagpaulan ni kadali. Tapos, good news! Sana lang ka-trail. Ang Kidapawan Trail na lang ang nagbiling. Circuit Trail, so Sunrise. Padulong mi sa peak. Then, sa old base camp, dito mi mag-lunch. Tapos, before 1 p.m. mag-start na mag-trek pababa sa Lake Venado. Hopefully, maabot mo by 3 or 4 p.m. Then, mag-camp na pamilit ka.
Will know good, very bad days. But I'm a G, can't you see that I will always be A-OK. A-OK. I'm gonna be A-OK. You gonna be A-OK. We gonna be A-OK.
So, we are entering the boulder section of Mount Apo. So, to give you an idea of what it looks like. Tara. Sa boulders, so May mga naka-green diha, no, mga naka-neon. Nagasaka na sila. Tapos, ang mga bato is, as you can observe, mas dako pa sa tao. So, delikado siya. May mga gagmay and bits, pero, delikado siya. For those of you trying to, kanang, undecided pa no to climb Mount Apo, I really suggest that magkaroon mo og mga physical exercises in preparation for the climb. Kay grabe technical kay labi na ning Santa Cruz Circuit Trail. Dagan kay gasol. Oh my goodness. Pa may naabot sa top. Naabot sa taas. And mag-breakfast mi sa Gabrock. Ito mi mag-breakfast. And then lunch sa old base camp. And then start off descent sa Lake Venado. Ayan siya, sunrise. Sunrise. Sorry. The sunrise. Oh my goodness. Climate. Tugnaw dire. Pero kani siya nga init is musunog ni siya panit. So feel lang nimo ba na bugnaw pero dili day. I mean, bugnaw jud siya literal pero sunog gyapon ang panit. So balot jud ka dire magbalot. Kapoy na ko. Dugay pa sila. Napa sila dito. Kaya raman sila pason. Tilong ka namin undang-undang ba? Kay kawala o kusog. So, Gabrock is like 5 minutes from sa lugar nila. Sa ilang position karon. Bali, that's around 500 meters from me. So, takas ako.
Everything as it was, everything as it goes. Am I out of my head now for wanting more than love? Every child's agenda undone. Am I out of opinions and reaching zero sum? 5 years from now is nostalgia, no fun. Thinking, I wanna see how far this will go. Wanna meet who, I don't know. Wanna see how far this will go. I'm coming down, got a taste of it all. Coming down, really burning me up. In the sweet, gotta get what you want, disappear. I'm coming down, got a taste of it all. Coming down, really burning me up. In the sweet, gotta get what you want, disappear. Cities breaking down on a camel's back. Cities breaking down on a camel's back. Cities breaking down on a camel's back. Cities breaking down. Cities breaking down. Windmill for the land, turn forever hand in hand, taking all in on your stride. It's ticking, falling Yo, we go ghost town, a small town with your sound. You're in the blink, gotta bite the dust. Can't fight with us with your sound. You get the itch. Ghost town, a small town with your sound.
Shout out! Shout out sa mga kwadra ang gusto mo agi diri sa Century 3 na trail.
Bago na ang trail.
Kung trail daw. Circuit.
Circuit. Si RJ in the house.
Shout out sa mga amigo.
Sa
Go, amiga.
Feel good, feel good, feel good, baby. City's breaking down on a camel's back. 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 Feel good, feel good, feel good, feel good, baby. Feel good, feel good, feel good, feel good, baby. Don't stop, shady, get it. Where is your captain and its daddy? Watch me navigate high, high, high. So don't stop, shady.